Hey TechKnowStuds! Another important role that your operating system does is access control. You wouldn't want just anybody to be able to get onto your computer and have access to all of the files on it. Neither would you want somebody to remotely get onto your computer without you ever knowing and be able to start copying files off of your computer. So your operating system has an element of access control to help eliminate those issues. One easy way to show access control is through the files and folders. It's a big part of access control, but it's not the only thing. There are different objects on your computer, and all of these different objects have a certain level of security or access control on it. But let's just use a file or folder as an example. If I've got a folder or file and I only want myself to have access to it, I can lock it down so no one else does. So let's take a look at some folder permissions and just see what it looks like. Here's the configs folder right here, and I'm going to right click on this configs folder and go to properties, and I can click on this security tab to see what's inside the security tab. I've got groups and user names here, so the system, the demo laptop, and administrator are the groups and users in here. The groups are the one that has two people next to it, and the user is the one that just has a single person. And when you click on here, what happens is down here shows you what the permissions are. Now all of these have the same level of permissions, so there's nothing different here. But if I wanted to change something, so I can click edit here and I can go through and change, or let's say deny, and start denying this one of the permissions into the system. So maybe I want to deny the read and execute for administrators, for systems. Maybe I just want to modify, do the modify and demo laptop. So you can see I can change there. All the allows are grayed out. I could add a user to this and be able to make some other changes to it, but I'm not going to do that right now. Just know that this is where I can go in and grant access or deny access to this resource. And in this case, it's a folder.